Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions and the right apps. Make sure you have an Office 365 account on the same tenant and access to the target SharePoint site. Otherwise, Outlook can't link. Once done, open the specific document library in SharePoint and choose Sync for OneDrive-based linking or Copy Link to add a shortcut in Outlook. You do this now so Outlook can reference files instead of duplicating them. This reduces version conflicts and keeps email attachments small. Next, you create the actual link between SharePoint and Outlook. If you use Sync, OneDrive will show the library in File Explorer and Outlook will offer those files under Attach File Recent. Attach as a link to avoid duplicates. If you're an Outlook web app, add the SharePoint site to favorites or paste the copy link into a message or calendar invite. Make sure to choose Attach as link when prompted so recipients always access the current file version. To finish, verify sharing permissions on the SharePoint file or library so recipients can open links. Adjust view or edit rights as needed. Then test by sending yourself a link-based attachment and opening it from another device. If the OneDrive sync shows a conflict, resolve locally or resync to avoid multiple copies. If links break, sign out and sign back into Office, clear cached credentials, and check OneDrive sync status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.